When it was released in 2021, the Winnebago HIKE 100 was embraced by outdoor adventurers for its rugged performance, serious gear hauling capability, and easy towability by smaller SUVs. Now the HIKE 100 is available with Winnebago's FLX package and brings a new level of self-sufficiency to the party, with 5 integrated technologies to support extended expeditions by allowing you to camp for up to 5 days without electrical and water hookups. The FLX version is available in 5 floor plans, sleeping up to 4. And like all HIKE models, the HIKE 100 FLX is built to haul, so it's easy to bring along bikes as well as paddleboards, kayaks, or canoes and other outdoor gear. You'll find even more storage inside. Depending on the floor plan, up to 40 cubic feet of additional space for gear. The FLX comes with a long list of standard features, including a full galley, wet bath with a shower that doubles as a gear drying area, wardrobe and interior cabinets for food and clothing, and full height ceilings throughout. Outside, the living is easy thanks to the powered patio awning with LED lighting plus a batwing awning that wraps around 2 sides to provide 200 square feet of living space, drop-down panels that create an exterior shower or changing room, and a kitchen that keeps things cooking outdoors with the HIKE 100's portable induction cooktop. But what sets the FLX apart is those 5 integrated technologies that support extended off-grid adventures. It starts up top, where a 200-watt panel harnesses solar energy to charge the system. The FLX is also pre-wired for an additional portable panel. The electricity from the panel flows through a 30-amp MPPT charge controller to the 320-amp-hour lithium-ion battery pack, while the integrated battery management system keeps the batteries balanced and prevents overcharging. When you need power for household appliances, the Xantrex XC Pro Pure Sine Wave Inverter provides clean, quiet 110-volt AC current and uses a 50-amp transfer switch when you're plugged into shore power. The XC Pro also allows you to lower the input amperage to match the campground current and avoid tripping the power pedestal circuit breaker. Truma's ultra-efficient water heater, furnace, and air conditioning systems further reduce energy use. To save even more power, the refrigerator and air conditioning system run directly off the 12-volt battery system instead of through a power-draining AC inverter. To conserve water, the FLX incorporates a Showermiser freshwater reclamation system that provides hot water almost instantly and recirculates the unused cold water to support longer off-grid stays. Altogether, the FLX package delivers the performance and reliability of a factory-designed, factory-installed, and factory-backed system, giving you more time without hookups so you can go further and stay longer at the places you love in your HIKE 100 FLX.